Hello, everyone. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Welcome to a very special story time.
We're about to go on an adventure to a really wonderful place. A place that's just bursting with stories and amazing characters. Can you guess? It's the library. Are you ready to go? I know I am.
Our story today is all about a boy named Leo, and it's called Leo's Book Adventure. And, he's on a very important quest.
So picture this. It's a beautiful, sunny day, and Leo decides, I'm going to the library. He's just so excited to pick out a brand new book to read.
Leo walks right up to the big desk where the librarian sits. He wants to ask for some help, and he's super polite about it. He uses a nice, kind voice and says, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?" Well, the librarian looks up with a big, friendly smile. She says, "Of course, how can I help you today?" You can tell she's ready to help Leo find just what he's looking for. And this is his quest. Leo tells her, "I'm looking for a book about gardening." Oh, it sounds like he wants to plant his own little garden at home. How cool is that? So the librarian asks a very important question. She says, "Do you have a library card?" A library card, it's kind of like a magic key that unlocks all the books in the library for you to borrow. Leo shakes his head. He doesn't have one, but he really wants one. He asks, "Not yet. How do I get one?" Oh, this is so exciting. He's about to get his very first library card.
The librarian explains that once he picks out his book, he can borrow it and take it home for 3 whole weeks. Wow, that's a lot of time for some really great reading.
Leo is so happy. He says, "Thank you. I really appreciate your help." That's such a special and polite way to let someone know you're really thankful, isn't it? Okay, so did you hear all those special words Leo used? They're like magic words. Seriously, because they're super polite and really help us talk to people. Let's learn them together. What do you say? Our first magic phrase is, "I'm looking for." This is so handy. You can use it anytime you need to find something, like, "I'm looking for my favorite teddy bear," or "I'm looking for my red crayon." It tells people exactly what you need help finding. Now, Leo is going to borrow his book. When you borrow something, it means you get to take it home and enjoy it for a little while, but then you have to bring it back so another friend can read it too. But when you buy a book from a store, that book is yours to keep forever and ever. And here's our last magic phrase for today. I appreciate your help. This is like a superpowered thank you. It's a wonderful way to tell someone that their help meant a whole lot to you. All right, who's ready for a really fun game? We're going to practice saying our magic words, but we're going to use some silly voices. Let's get our voices all warmed up. Okay, first, let's all say this in our normal voices. Ready? I'm looking for a book. Perfect. Now, let's try saying it like a big, sleepy lion who's letting out a giant yawn. Ready? Here we go. Roar, I'm looking for a book. That was great. Wonderful. Let's try another one. This time, can you say it in a teeny tiny mouse voice? Get your squeak ready. Let's try it. Could you help me, please? Squeak, squeak. You guys are amazing at this. And now, it's time for our final super fun challenge. It's your turn to be the hero of our story. You get to be the librarian. But wait, before we start, let's play a quick memory game. How many of our magic words and phrases from today can you remember? Let's see. There was I'm looking for, could you help me, I appreciate, and that special word, borrow. How many did you remember? You did a fantastic job. Okay, it's time to play our parts. You are the kind, friendly librarian. Your special line is right there for you to see. Let's practice it just once. Of course. How can I help you? Perfect. Get ready to say it when it's your turn.
And I'll be Leo. I'm going to walk up to your librarian desk, and after I ask my question, it will be your turn to say your line. Ready? Okay, here I come. Excuse me, could you help me, please? Great. I'm looking for a book about gardening. Wow, you were an absolutely amazing librarian. You all did such a great job today. Now you know all the magic words you need for your very own library adventure. And that just makes me wonder, what book will you find on your next adventure? Happy reading, everyone!